on, shut up. Hey guys, what is up? It is Gianna. So you guys asked for it, so I'm gonna give it to you, a brand spanking new makeup collection video. I haven't done one of these in like, I think a year. I just wanted to, you know, just do an updated one, but the main reason why I wanted to do that is because I got a new vanity. Finally, my other one was absolutely, you know, just it was just, everything was just like piled up. It was really dirty and not nice. So I wanted to do a new makeup collection video because all my stuff is now organized and nice and neat and clean. Before I get on started with the video, I just wanted to put to the side a couple of things. People may wonder, how does she, a 14-year-old girl, afford all this makeup? Okay, so yes, I do pay for most of my makeup that I have, and yes, a lot of this stuff is expensive, but I do have a video on how I get expensive makeup for cheap, because a lot of this stuff is big. I get them off my tricks and tips that I have to get makeup for cheap. I don't really know how I just said that, but I will put the video right here in this little eye thing on the right hand side corner thing. I think that's where it is. Yeah, I just wanted to get that to the side, and as well as, I am not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I don't want you guys to get that out of this video. I just wanted to show you guys my makeup collection because I do makeup for YouTube and I do other people's makeup, and I do some clients, you know. I have different shade ranges for not even me. This is not a normal size makeup collection for a 14-year-old, and yeah, I just, you know, it's an obsession and it's a love, and I love my makeup so much, and that's pretty much what I spend most of my money on anyways, just makeup, honestly. Besides the point, I am ready to get on started with this makeup collection video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right on into this. Alright, so we're gonna start with like a little tour of the vanity, and this is what it looks like. This vanity is from IKEA. It's the two 5 Alex drawers on each side, and then there's like a tabletop on top. I'll put the link in the description where my parents got this vanity from. And then I got this little attachment with it, this Hollywood mirror right here, and this is from the brand Lovody. I don't really know how to say that, but it's a really nice quality. It's really nice, and I really love it. And then I have a little mirror right there as well, and I got my MAC. And then on the side, which is the actual makeup and whatnot, these are my brushes, my beauty blenders, my cotton swabs, you know, for extra stuff. And then I got my lipsticks here. These are not all my lipsticks. I have more extra ones in my drawers, so I'll show you guys that after. But this is my little spinner that I got for Christmas as well. And these are where I hold all my liquid lipsticks mostly, and then some other extras. Ones I have is just my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I don't want to like name all of them because that'll just take so much time. And I got the Chrome collection by Jeffree Star and his last Christmas collection. This is not the recent Christmas collection from Jeffree Star. This is the last Christmas collection from Jeffree Star. Then I got some more miscellaneous lipsticks right here. I got some Kat Von D lipsticks right here. I got like a little Tarte one, Bite. What is this from Too Faced, Essence, Wet n Wild, and then on the top I have my favorite Smashbox liquid lipstick and a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So this is my little spinner. I haven't been able to fill all this up on the top just yet, but I absolutely love this. It's super convenient, and you can just get everything right here where you, oh, okay. So we'll get on started with the drawers. My first drawer is my foundations, concealers, and primers. And these little dividers I got from Amazon, they don't really work that well, but they're good enough, I guess. And they just make sure everything is separated a little easier. And they don't really stay that nicely, but it just works for me. So I'll get on started with the concealers first. Here I have mostly my liquid concealers, and then over here I have my pot concealers. So I got 2 Tarte Shape Tapes, a Maybelline concealer. I have a lot of Maybelline concealers. Maybelline has like the best concealers ever, and that's where I get most of my concealers from. And then I got a little e.l.f. corrector, Fit Me, you know, Age Rewind, Master Camo by Maybelline, Essence, e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer, you know, the good stuff. And then here I have my NARS Complete Concealer, and then a little Smashbox CC Cream, my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, NYX Full Coverage Concealer, Boeing Benefit, and then I got the little Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Then I'll go on to my primers here. I'll start off with this. This is my favorite thing ever right now. This is my Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Amazing. This is my Cover FX Mattifying Primer. Benefit Professional, my Master Prime Face Studio Primer from Maybelline, sunscreen there. Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, my full size here now. A lot of my makeup as well, I get it from BoxyCharm, and that is a subscription box makeup service, and I get it every month, and you get like 5 products. It's really cool. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I got this month, and this is my Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. My e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm, and that is for my primers. Ooh, now we're gonna go on to the setting sprays and foundations. This is a lot. Like, this is a lot. It's kind of annoying. So, got my Maybelline Dream Cushion Foundation, my Born This Way from Too Faced, 2 L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Infallible Foundations. These are like different shades because I get tan on and off. It depends on the softball season. I have my favorite ever, oh my god, my NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Makeup Forever Waterbrand Foundation back there. My Fit Me Foundation. 2 NYX Matte Finish Primer. No, it's not primers. Setting sprays. Fiona Sau's Matte Finish Foundation. This is discontinued, sadly, because they took that out of Ulta. I have no idea why. Then this is the Temp 2 by BoxyCharm liquid highlighter. I like that because I usually mix it with my foundations. And I have my Wet n Wild foundation. 2 of my Super Stay Better Skin Transforming Foundations. I have another shade, but I got this for really cheap at Ulta for $2.97. I still have the sticker on it, but I wanted this for like clients and stuff. I could also use it for contour. And then back here I have my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Oh, that is it for the foundations. Okay, so let's go on to the next drawer. Next drawer I have my powders, my bronzers, my blushes. Ooh, okay, so we'll start off with this little organizer here. I think this is from Impressions Vanity. Yeah, Impressions Vanity. This is my Wet n Wild what am I saying? My Photo Focus Pressed Powder, MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer, Makeup Geek Bronzer, Hoola, 2 MAC blushes, 2 Tarte blushes. These are like the mini ones you get from Sephora for your birthday. My Wet n Wild blush, my Fit Me powder, a pure bronze and blush. I also got this month from BoxyCharm. I haven't really tried it out yet, but it seems really good. I also got this one from BoxyCharm. This is another blush little kit here. Back there I have a BH Cosmetics 10 color blush palette. And I have another blush over here from MAC, a butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter, but I love this because it's like a very, very natural highlighter, but I keep it in this drawer because, I don't know why I keep it, but I don't really count it as a highlighter. It's more like, I don't really know, but I just like keeping it in here. Then I got 2 Milani blushes. Here are my Airspun powders, a Better Skin foundation powder. This is an e.l.f. cream blush and bronzer. Little blushes, you know, Mario Badescu special healing powder, and yeah, yep, that's it for that one. Whew. Oh, my throat is burning. This is a lot of talking. Okay, now we'll go on to the highlighter drawer. Ooh, this is my favorite. This is not only highlighters, this is also cream contour and cream stuff. So we'll start off with the highlighters. So I have 3 ColourPop highlighters. These are amazing. Thanks. Shout out to my friend Alana for giving these to me. She didn't want them anymore and she just gave them to me and I love her so much for them. I got 2 highlighters. This one's in the shade Champagne Pop, my favorite, and this is Prosecco Pop that I also got from BoxyCharm. Then I got this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, a Stila eyeshadow, but I count it as a highlighter because it's so blinding and amazing. I got an e.l.f. highlighter over here. I got 3 Jeffree Stars highlighters, one from the Chrome collection and then other 2. A L'Oreal, oh my god, this is a Lancome highlighter that I also got from Octoly. I got this sent to me. An Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter, 2 Milani highlighters back here, 2 Makeup Geek highlighters. This little Makeup Revolution Ghost Scope, it's from Halloween. It's just for playing around, I guess. Oh, this broke. Fantastic. This is my beloved Wet n Wild Contouring Palette Contour. Why do they say Contouring Palette Contour? I just need to know. And it's broken, it's cheap packaging, but it's okay. God, this is awesome. I just recently got this from Marshalls. Got this from Marshalls for only 18 bucks. This is the cream contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's amazing. Oh my god, I haven't even tried it out yet, but I heard it's really good. My throat is burning, oh my gosh. And then I got a concealer collection from, I don't really know what this brand is. I think it's Measurable Difference. It's from BoxyCharm as well. And over here I have my Shade and Light contouring palette and also another contouring palette from BoxyCharm. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff from BoxyCharm. It's awesome. Forgot to say, this is my Artist Couture highlighter over here. Cover FX liquid highlighter, a Hoola stick. And then I got this Argan Oil and Vitamin E thing from Marshalls as well, just in case I need it for the cream contour, because those cream contours get really dry really fast. So I had that just in case whenever I use it. Whew, and that is it for the highlighters and contours. We're gonna get on to the fun stuff. The two last drawers are my eyeshadow palettes. So the first drawer is my big eyeshadow palettes. Oh my god, my nasty foot. So this is the drawer of my big eyeshadow palettes. So I'm gonna start with back here because you guys will already know what they are. These are 3 Morphe eyeshadow palettes. 35O, 35B, and 35OS, I think. Yeah, I think that's it. I got my beloved Jaclyn Hill palette right here. A Carly Bible BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, Magic by Juvia's palette. This is a metal Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. This is from like last year Christmas collection I think she came out with, but I think it's discontinued now, sadly. Then I got my Violet Voss Holy Grail palette over here, my Lorac Pro Mega 3 palette, and finally my Sephora Pro Warm eyeshadow palette. We're gonna close that baby now. We're gonna go on to the bottom. Okay, so these are my smaller eyeshadow palettes. We'll start with the back as well. Okay, so I have 3 Shade and Light eye quads from Kat Von D. I got these from Marshalls for only $6 each or something like that, $6 or $10 each, and they're usually like $27, and they were so cheap and they're so good. I have like 3 different shades. Then I got my 2 Jeffree Star palettes, Rajani palette, and then the Beauty Killer palette. And over here I have 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. This is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. Oh my god, I can't speak. And then the Prism palette that I recently got as well in my little haul that I had. Then over here I have my Naked Cosmetics little, I don't really know what this is called, but it's a pigment palette, and I got them from BoxyCharm. And I have my Tartelette and Bloom Tarte palette. This is just like an essential for like any nude eyeshadow look I'll do. It just, whatever I need is in that. My NYX Envant Pop eyeshadow palette. I don't know how to say that. A Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I also got this recently. It's really nice. It's like a 5 matte eyeshadows, and they're so nice. Plink BoxyCharm Electric eyeshadow palette. 2 other eyeshadow palettes from BoxyCharm. This is the one Winky Lux Kitten eyeshadow palette, and then the Glam Metals. I also got this from this month. Here is a Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions eyeshadow palette. The bottom over here is a Too Faced Sugar and Plum Fun eyeshadow palette from their Christmas collection this year. Thanks to my aunt for getting that for me for Christmas. And the Masquerade palette by Juvia's. I really don't know if I'm speaking English at this point. I feel like I'm speaking a different language. I am so sorry about that. Whew, so now we're finally going to the other side over here. These last 2 drawers are my last drawers of makeup that I own. The last 3 are just little extras, like my art stuff. So this drawer right here is all my mascaras, some extra single eyeshadows, my eyeshadow primers, my eyebrow stuff in glitter, and eyeliners. Start off with the mascaras. I'm not going to name every single one of these. That's just a lot for my voice box thing. Okay, I just have some Too Faced mascara, an Essence one, Lash Paradise, of course. This Revlon one my mom gave me, I don't really know. Physicians Formula, Benefit, this is from YSL. 2 Roller Lash mascaras, these are my favorites of all time. I love these things. One of them is dried out, but I don't know why I still have it. I have to throw these away. Again, and Smashbox. So I think that's pretty much it for the mascaras. Now for this side, I'll go on to some of the glitters over here. This is a Trolls glitter that's from MAC from Discontinued Times. I don't know when I got it, but it's really good. And then this NYX Hollow glitter. This is an eyeshadow base from NYX. It's like a white one. A Smashbox Plum eyeliner. And also over here is a MAC pigment and a gel eyeliner from L'Oreal. So we'll go over here as well. These are some other glitters. My Stila eyeshadow glitter, Magnificent Metals, of course. This is Heavy Metals, Urban Decay glitter, and Midnight Cowboy. Little eyeshadow crayon from BoxyCharm. An Anastasia Beverly Hills and Metallic Luster eyeliner. A couple of Wet n Wild eyeliners, a Stila eyeliner, and Vivid Brights eyeliners from NYX. And yeah, that's about it for that one. For eyebrows, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills. I keep saying Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just Anastasia. I'm just gonna say that from now on. Anastasia Dip Brow. I use that a lot. And then an It brow powder that I also got from BoxyCharm. A little Anastasia clear eyebrow gel. This is also an Anastasia brow brush. I just keep it in here because it's just more convenient for me. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is a Brow Gal little trio from BoxyCharm as well. 2 Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mousses. I think that's what they call it. Mascaras. Gel mascaras. We'll go on to the eyeshadow primers. I have about 5 over here, I believe. So, no, 6. Okay, so I got a glitter primer from NYX. I have 2 Urban Decay eyeshadow potions over here. Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. This is a mini one. Shadow Insurance shadow in Silence. I don't know what language or accent that was. Kat Von D High Voltage Eye Primer. And then I got 3 L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadows over here. So a Bare Minerals eyeshadow loose pigment thingy bobber. The last thing I keep forgetting, Kiko Milano eyeshadow in the shade 208. That is about it for that drawer. And finally we're gonna go on to the last drawer, and this is just the messy, not really messy, but these are just extra stuff, and also lipsticks, extra lipsticks that I have no idea where to put. This is a Bite Beauty little trio with like 3 lipsticks, no, like 4 I think. Oh my god, I can't open this. Right here is like 4 lipsticks from wow, Bite Beauty. Oh. A very disgusting pencil sharpener from Wet n Wild, wow, ew. 2 eyelash curlers and another little Bite Beauty lipstick. And now in the middle I have some extra liquid lipsticks that I don't know where to put, but a lot of these I really love as well. I have a lot of them from BoxyCharm as well, but I have no idea where to put them. So this is a Galactic, you know, some e.l.f., MAC, Tarte, Real Her, a little chapstick over here. This is Lip Lava from CoverGirl. This is Pretty Vulgar, ColourPop, Anastasia, another Anastasia lip gloss, ColourPop again, Ofra, and also a Duo Lash Glue. That should be over there for my eyelashes after. Lipsticks from Milani, and 2 lip liners. I don't know where they're from, but they're also from BoxyCharm. Okay, so that is all pretty much for this, and now the last things are just some eyelashes. This is from Pure, this is from Dodo Lashes, and this is from Dell. Again, the Duo Lash thing. Woo, okay. That is it for my makeup collection. Okay, that was a lot. Oh my gosh, my throat is like dead right now. That was so much talking, so much explaining, so much stuff. I don't, oh my god. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you turn on my post notifications because YouTube has been a little whack lately. A lot of people don't get my videos in their subscription boxes anymore. I don't know why. I got a lot of comments about that and it's getting really annoying. So make sure you put on my post notifications if you have not already. And that is about it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I feel like a vlogger. 4, 3, 2, 1.